Mommy, can I buy a new motorbike, please?
No,
Why?
because I think that isn't a good idea.
But it's the cheapest one, and all my friends have one, and I want to go with him in the mountain.
It doesn't matter. I think that it's dangerous.
It's not dangerous. It's a transport.
And if it's a transfer, do you like a bike? Buy a
Because
bike.
I don't like the bikes.
How much it costs?
3,000.
It's expensive.
No, I can pay a half and you the other half.
And how will you pay the half?
Tomorrow I will start working in a supermarket.
I think that isn't a good idea, and you need all the clothes in gas.
I can buy that.
Well, I don't think that you will pay it, but I think it's so dangerous, and I'm not sure.
It's not dangerous.
And you don't have the driving license.
But I can start studying tomorrow the driving license.
Okay, but you have to do all the housework and the homework, and
Okay.
you have to get good marks this year.
Okay, I will do it.
Dad, do you buy a motorbike for me?
Why do you want a motorbike?
All my friends have had one, and I want to go with them.
But do you know that it's very dangerous, no?
Yeah, yes, but Mom says that I can if I pay the license, the driving license.
But you don't have one.
Yeah, I have. Grandma gave me, and Mom said that the motorbike will pay one half she and one half you.
Okay, if mom says.
Hi there.
Hi,
I want a motorbike.
I don't want to buy you a motorbike, it's so dangerous.
Why? I think I'm responsible and I have the age to have a motorbike.
Yes, but if you are responsible or no, it's your problem because in the street that you are not alone and there are more cars and more motorbikes and you can get injured.
Yes, but also I think I'm making an effort in school to have a good marks.
Yes, but this is your obligation. You don't have to have any present or things like that. You have to study.
But I also think that it's better for you too because you won't have to bring me to school or other places.
Yes, but this is not a problem for me. If I have to bring you to school or to other places, I will do it. It's not a problem for me.
Okay.
But if I can lend you the money, if you pass the exam and the first time you try it. If you don't pass it, you won't have another life.
I know.
Mom, I want to buy a motorbike.
What? No.
But why?
Because no.
But it's better than a car, it's more controllable than a car. And you don't have to pick me up of the school.
School is almost over, I don't care.
But the next year I will go to the school, I think. I suppose.
How much it costs?
3,000 and I have the half of the money.
And who's gonna pay the other half?
I don't know. You or
Not me.
my dad? My dad also could be.
I don't know. We'll talk about that later.
But that's a yes. I think you will buy it. I know.
Maybe.
Hi Dad, I want a motorbike. I was thinking of buying this one, rent. I like it.
Right, but it looks very expensive. You
Yes.
don't have the money.
But when I finish university, I will go to work and I will pay it.
So you want me to lend you the money?
Yes.
And what would you use the motorbike
For go to the university.
But the university is very far. You can't go by motorbike.
Well, I could go to the train by my new motorbike. And go to the train. I will park it there.
But so you need to do some practice to go by motor.
I can see some videos in internet and YouTube.
It's quite dangerous.
Well, I will be careful.
Okay, that's the thing. You buy, but I lend you the money, but then I'll give you a credit and you have to return me more money than the one that you
But
paid.
that's stealing.
These are nothing.
Okay.
Okay, so you can have this motorbike.
But I want a lollipop.
Okay, you can have this lollipop too.
Yay.